कुछ भी करो यार, हिंदुस्तानी आदमी देसी ही खाता है, एथनिक ही खाता है। पंजाबी आदमी आलू पराठा खाएगा, मद्रासी आदमी इडली डोसा खाएगा, महाराष्ट्र आदमी वड़ा पाव खाएगा। क्लॉस का मार्केट बनने के लिए टाइम है। यू हैव टू एडवर्टाइज। इट्स टेकन 25 years फॉर नेस्ले टू बिल्ड अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड मैगी. My generation didn't eat, my father's generation didn't eat, my cousins didn't eat, who were younger to me. My daughter has started eating now. Are you with me? So I found that ethnic food is a great opportunity. 100 crores plus population, even 50 crores population target कर लो, साल में एक बार 10 रुपया का आइटम खिला दो. What happens? It's a 500 crore opportunity. Entrepreneur thinks, what is the opportunity, And then साल में 10 बार खिला दो, it becomes a 5,000 crore opportunity. So numbers comes not by Excel sheet, but by gut feeling or thumb rule. Whether it exists or not exists is exploration. Are you with me? Then why? First was Indian brand. Second was ethnic food. Food करे तो क्या करे? Kashmir to Kanyakumari, there's so much of food. आलू पराठा, हाँ? North में गया तो समोसा. West में रगड़ा पेटीज, बेलपुरी, सेवपुरी. When you go down south, idli, dosa, appams. So out of all this, what do? I stay in Mumbai, and near VT station there's a McDonald's, and there was a big M on that 40-foot banner and a big burger photograph, and below him was a Adgadi wala, Tela wala. Tela wala. Normally in Mumbai, every corner there is a Tela wala with a chappan tikli banyan, which you call 50 holes in the banyan, and a lehenga, and in a very shabby condition he fries the batata vada. And I also picked up a vada pav like the others, and when I looked at it, we are from Mumbai, all Bollywood people. 24/7 मूवीज देखते हैं, 1970 राम और श्याम सुना है आपने, जुड़वा बाई की कहानी. So I found it like a जुड़वा बाई. That was anything between buns. This is anything between pav. That is mayonnaise. This is chutney. That is non-spicy. This is spicy. एक भाई अमेरिका चला गया, सुपर रिच स्टोरी, 40,000 प्लस आउटलेट. दूसरा भाई आज भी गटर पे सड़ रहा है, स्ट्रगलिंग. मैंने सोचा गरीब भाई को अमीर भाई से मिला देते. That's how, make a brand out of it, make a company out of it. That was the thought process that we went into. And when I say Judwa Bhai, actually it's a Judwa Bhai. Why Vada Pav? Because it's a fast food. 5 मिनट में 50 मसाला डोसा कस्टमर को सर्विस कर पाओगे? 5 मिनट में 50 पानी पूरी कस्टमर को सर्विस कर पाओगे? 5 मिनट में 50 ग्रिल सैंडविच कस्टमर को सर्विस कर पाओगे? 5 मिनट में बंबई के फुटपाथ में फ्रॉम ए कढ़ाई, व्हाट यू कॉल दैट वेसल, कढ़ाई वी कॉल इट, 50 वड़ा जरूर निकलता है. जस्ट शो इट बिटवीन द पाव एंड इट ओवर टू द कस्टमर. सो इट्स अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए फास्ट फूड. सेकंड, इट्स अ फिंगर फूड. यू डोंट रिक्वायर प्लेट एंड स्पून. इफ यू हैव प्लेट एंड स्पून, व्हाट हैपेंस? रियल एस्टेट कॉस्ट goes up. So it's a finger food, and because it's a finger food, it's also a mobile food. You have seen in Mumbai, people are clinging outside the window and hanging, life and death situation in a local train, but they will have a vada pav in their hand. Have you seen it? रिक्शा वाला रिक्शा चलाता है, but एक हाथ में एक वड़ा पाव होता है. In fact, if you look at a sandwich guy in a Mumbai footpath, you'll be making sandwich and you'll have a vada pav below. If you ask him, बोलता नहीं, when you eat a sandwich, it becomes clumsy, but a vada pav you can eat like this and keep it. एक लेडी who buys tomato outside दादर स्टेशन, उसे भाई साहब आधा किलो टमाटर दे देना. Can you eat a masala dosa and do it? So that's why fast food, finger food, and mobile food. And how many people in this audience will say, I don't like potatoes? It's a very rare feature. But you don't like karelas? There is one guy. You don't like karela? There will be so many ants. You don't like palak? There will be so many ants. You don't like chicken? There will be so many ants. Potato has got a universal appeal. आप इधर देख लो, पूरी भाजी potato और wheat है. If you take आलू पराठा, potato और wheat है. If you go down south, masala dosa, there is a potato in it. Are you with me? And besides that, there is besan. Besan is the most important that we Indians like. You go down south, you have Mysore pak. You don't go to north, you have Son Papdi. हल्दीराम ने बेसन को थोड़ा सा तेल में डुबाया, मसाला लगा दिया, it became a 1,000 crore empire. We Indians like besan so much. So this entire thing of fast food, finger food, potato. So I think at the idea stage, the entrepreneur's mind goes like this, tuck, 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 tuck. Why we should get into this business? Unless you are convinced about it, you won't take that bold step to go about. So the conviction comes from thinking again and again, daadi bada ke, sir kuja ke, you won't have your tea, you won't go to office regularly, but you'll be thinking about your own business, this idea. Why brand name Goli? See, the marketing gurus, and I have been so many marketing gurus, advertising friends, and they'll tell me the first thing is